Adding a cookie consent banner to your store is essential to comply with privacy regulations and protect your customers' privacy. Welcome to Minimog Tutorials. Before we start, it's important for you to understand your own obligations under the General Data Protection Regulation and to ensure that you configure your Shopify preferences in a way that complies with the requirements set forth by GDPR. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store and select Preferences. In the Settings for Preferences, locate Customer Privacy Settings. Here you can choose when marketing and analytics data is collected for customers from specific listed countries, either as collected after consent or partially collected before consent. Click Save. Then, navigate to the Themes section and go to the Theme Editor to activate your cookie banner. In the Theme Settings, select GDPR Settings. In the Settings for Cookie Consent, enable it on your storefront and include some needed information. For example, a clear and concise message about the use of cookies written in plain language, buttons for users to give or withhold consent, and a link to your website's privacy and cookie policy. You can also change where your banner shows, as in the bottom, floating left, or floating right, or its theme to light or dark. Hit Save on the new changes. You now know how to activate the cookie banner to inform your site visitors about your privacy policies. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos. Thank you for watching.